Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another Suzuki Bandit 650 video. This time we are not gonna do any maintenance, but something different. I just bought these rims stickers. I think that with these the bike is gonna look very nice. So these are from Aliexpress. They are not expensive. I paid including shipping 12 euros, but the great thing is that these are silver ones, just like the bike is. I'm gonna show you right now. As you can see, they are silver, so in my opinion it's gonna be very nice on the bike. And before we start, I have to mention that it is really necessary to properly clean the rims. So I will use a bit of petrol and a piece of cloth, and firstly clean the rims, and then I'm also gonna repaint a bit those parts of the rims that are a bit scratched. That's why I have a, let's say, black paint, and I just need a bit of patience to correct those parts, you know. So let's see, and let's start. The rim is clean right now, and I'm gonna stick the sticker just here on this part, a bit far from the edge. I mean 1 millimeter maybe, we'll see. But before I do it, I have to mention that these are two types. So this is just a normal sticker, a line, I would say, and this is the sticker with the Bandit, let's say, title, I would say. And in my opinion, 4 of them are going on each side. So here I will have 2 Bandits, and then again 2 normal ones, and on the other side it's the same. So I will have to have 8 stickers per wheel, so 8 together 16. And let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 1 it's more in case you miss. We'll use this piece of tape to have the right distance from one sticker to another, and then on the other side the same. This is gonna be, let's say, the space between the stickers. let's put the Bandit title. It takes a lot of time, guys, because you know the first letter B is separated, and then you have Andit, and then you have all these pieces here, up and down, so it takes time, you know, to be honest. The color, it's not silver but more or less gray, otherwise it looks cool. I am done, guys. It was a bit stressful, I have to be honest, and the most important thing is that you have a lot of patience and time, because I needed 1 hour, you know, 30 minutes per each rim, and it's not that easy, but mostly because you have to be concentrated, you know. Concentration, it's crucial here, and a lot of patience. So I think that now the bike looks better. I am not completely satisfied with the color, because I thought it would be more silver than gray. Now it is more gray, but this is what I have now, and I will leave them on at least for, I don't know how long they are gonna stay on, because of the rain, because of the cleaning and so on, but anyway, now I have what I have. I am happy. It looks cool in my opinion, and till the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.